Now we are going to know how to write a question tag with imperative sentences. Some imperatives begin with main verb. Some imperatives begin with don't. Some imperatives begin with please or kindly. Okay. See the first category. If an imperative sentence begin with a main verb, then we have to write the question tag as will you, would you, can you or could you. See the example here. Close the window. This imperative begins with the main verb, that is close. Then we can use the question tag as could you. Will you also right answer. Can you? Would you? Okay. Then bring me a glass of water. Here the question tag is can you or will you. Okay. Now if an imperative sentence begins with don't, then we use the question tag as will you. Will you only. Okay. Don't. This imperative sentence begins with don't, then we can write the question tag as will you. Next one, don't waste your time. This imperative also begins with don't, then the question tag is will you. Let's go to the third category. If an imperative sentence begins with please or kindly, then also we use the question tag will you. See the examples here. Please show me the way. Here in the imperative sentence, this sentence begins with please. Then we have to write the question tag as will you. Next one, please tell me your name. Then also we use the question tag as will you. Not is not added to the tag for this kind of sentences. To all these kind of sentences, we should not add a negative word not to the question tag. Let's see some more question tags in some sentences with a few, little, a little. A few students attended the prayer, didn't they? Here in this sentence, a few, which means some students attended the party, attended the prayer. Okay, a few students means some students. Few students means no students. So here in the first sentence, a few students doesn't give any negative sense. That is a positive sense. That statement is a positive statement. So we should write the negative question tag here. In this sentence, there is no any auxiliary verb. The main verb is there, that is attended. That is in the second form. That is called simple past. When the main verb is in the second form, we should write the question tag beginning with did. So there is did. This is a positive statement, so we should write the negative tag didn't. A few students, subject to pronoun is they. So answer is didn't they. See the second one, few students. Few students means no students, which gives the negative sense. So we should write the positive tag here. So same procedure, but this is a negative statement, so we should write the positive question tag. The answer is did they. See the third one, she needs a little money. A little, that means some money. She needs some money. Which statement gives the positive sense? So we should write the negative question tag. Here the main verb is needs, that is in the first form, that is with s. So we should write the question tag beginning with does. Does plus not, doesn't. Subject pronoun is she, doesn't she. See the fourth one, she needs little money. That means she needs no money. That gives the negative sense. So we should write a positive question tag here. Needs is in the first form with the s. So we should write the question tag beginning with does. The subject pronoun is she, doesn't she. The little milk left in the pot. Here the little gives the positive sense. Little negative sense. A little positive sense. The little also gives the positive sense. So we should write the negative question mark here, question tag here. The little milk left. This is the main verb. There is no any auxiliary in the sentence also. So left is in the second form. We should write the question tag beginning with did. This is a positive statement, so we should write the negative tag here. Didn't. The little milk Subject pronoun is it. Didn't it? Let's see some more question tags in sentences beginning with I don't think, I suppose. If a sentence begins with I don't think or I suppose, what's the procedure of writing a question tag? Let's know. I don't think you are clever. Here in this sentence begins with I don't think. If a sentence begins with I don't think, this part is negligible. You have to write the question tag for this part only. Okay? You have to follow the same procedure. Here is an auxiliary verb, that is are, so we should write are here. You are clever is a negative positive statement, so we should write negative aren't. The subject pronoun is you, aren't you. Understood? Now I don't think he is an Indian. Here also this sentence begins with I don't think. This part is negligible. You have to write the question tag for this part only. He is an Indian. So auxiliary is. This is positive statement, so isn't. Subject pronoun is he. Isn't he? Next example. I suppose you are hungry. Here also the third sentence begins with I suppose. So you don't write question tag for this part. You have to write the question tag for this part only. You are hungry. Here are is an auxiliary verb. So are, this is positive statement. So write negative question tag like aren't you. Subject pronoun is you. Let's know how to write a question tag in some sentences beginning with the there and one as subjects. In this sentence, there is something. This sentence begins with there. If a sentence begins with there or one, the same are repeated in the question tag also. Okay? The procedure is the same. Is the auxiliary verb, so we should write is in the beginning. There is something is a positive statement, so we should write negative question tag here. Subject pronoun is there. Subject is there. Next one. There weren't any thieves. Here also the subject is there, but this is a negative statement, so we should write positive question tag. Okay. Third one. One should love one's country. In this sentence, subject is one. Auxiliary is should. This is a positive statement, so we should write shouldn't one. The same subject is repeated in the question tag.